Advertising and Society is a research group belonging to the Department of Communication at Pompeu Fabra University. CAS was founded in 2010, and its main research lines are placed in the intersection of two areas of study. On one hand, media, mass communication and advertising, and on the other hand, individuals and society. Our projects embrace different topics, as for example, effect analysis of advertising, media discourses on genre and youth, place branding, or new trends on consumption and brand communications. But they always focus on how communication influences human behavior.
One of the main focus of research of our group is the study of the effects of advertising as well as the media discourse in general on some concrete collectives like children, women, for example, or tweens. So we wanted to know how this discourse or this advertising have an incidence on the build of the body image or in questions like health, for example, eating disorders or obesity among children. At present, we are currently working on the design and the implementation of media literacy tools in order to prevent these eating disorders, these children obesity, or for example, all kinds of questions related to body image.
Youth is a changing concept. There is no single way of being young. Youth is a social construction that depends on every moment and every culture. Young people are a mirror. Studying youth is studying society. Then we analyze the image of young people in media, information, fiction, advertising, the present or absence, and the roles they play. We have also done research on women teen magazines and fashion blogs. We also research the youth and media reception, uses, habits, consumptions. We study how young people construct their own identity and with media and new technologies, and how they give meanings, how they use social media to become active agents, new media as a tool for youth empowerment.
In Communication, Advertising and Society, our group research, one topic to study is gender studies. The first question we have to answer is what we understand when we use the concept gender. In this sense, we can remember the sentence of a famous French philosopher, Simone de Beauvoir, who said, "One is not born a woman, one becomes one." What does it mean? It means that the concept of gender has to be used to refer to social cultural constructions and representations of masculinities and feminities. Our priority so is to study and analyze the new models of masculinity, the stereotypical model of man, the stereotypical model of woman, the new models of femininity, and more specifically, how is it represented in mass media, press, advertising, cinema, and TV fiction.
One of the projects is Culture, an acronym that stands for Online Communication for Destination Brands. This project studies how Spanish cities and regions promote their tourist brands using official websites, social media, and mobile applications. We have developed, for example, a methodology to analyze a destination website, attending all the key factors involved: usability, positioning, interactivity, brand image, and so on. We are now working on a methodology to study the use of mobile applications in tourism and the use of Twitter. We have to bear in mind that tourism is a crucial economic sector in many countries, and that communication happens to play a major role in this industry.